Hello everyone, from Tony the Ghost, and today I want to try with you Anna. It is a digital assistant that can help people that visit the hotel for the first time, and it is being developed by my friend Eloi Gerard and his team at CrowsNest, a startup that is in Shanghai, in China, and he wants to create this future of hospitality. So his idea is that when you visit the hotel, usually you have always the same question. So, what is the password of Wi-Fi? What is the remote for the TV? When the restaurant will open, etc., etc. But it is often boring always to ask this question to the staff. And furthermore, maybe you can speak very well the language of the staff. So imagine if you are in fact in China, where the English of people is always, most of the time, is not that perfect. So you have problems in explaining with them, asking questions in Chinese and both in English. So if you have like a digital assistant who can speak all languages and inform you of everything about the hotel and about the city you're in, that will be perfect. So this is the idea behind Anna, this digital assistant. It is being made the Amazon Sumerian, and you can enjoy from a website. So it's all a web-based project. You go in your room, you scan a QR code, the browser opens, and you see Anna, and you can ask her questions by tapping on the menu. You can select the question you want to ask her. I think it's very interesting. Hilwa defines it as the future of hospitality. I don't know if this is a bit of marketing sentence, but I think I agree because we are in a moment where we start interacting with digital humans. So think about Lil Michaela, Hatsune Miku, all these kind of virtual influencers. So it's time that we also have virtual assistants. The plans to evolve these projects are very big. So imagine when Anna will be able to understand the environment, when she will be able also to have a network conversation with you, so not just with the menus. So I now want to show you me interacting with her. So the first part of the video will be about me just asking questions to her in English. Then I will go to AR because it's supposed to also AR, and then I will ask her something in Chinese. So enjoy.
Our four-star hotel is easy reachable to many major Shanghai points of interest. You'll never be at a loss of what to do in Shanghai. Many attractions are within walking distance from our hotel. There is no password to connect to hotel free Wi-Fi. Just enter your phone number and you will receive a verification code. This service is available at the self-service machine in the lobby, or you can exchange it at the front desk. Don't forget to bring your passport or valid identification document. This is Shanghai Disneyland, a fun experience filled with creativity, adventure and thrills for guests of all ages.
Now it's time to try online augmented reality. So if you have a compatible with AR Core and AR Kit smartphones, so either Android or Apple one, you can tap the AR button, and thanks to Amazon Sumerian and WebXR technology, you will be able to see Anna in AR in your environment. At the moment, this is just a bit of gimmick, so just you can see her in your environment like a real hostess of the hotel. But in the future, when there will be environmental understanding inside WebXR, she will be able to point you, for instance, you ask her, what is the air dryer? And can walk towards where the air dryer is because she will have memorized all the layout of all the rooms of the hotel that you can remember they're all the same. So that could be very useful in the future. So let me just show you how Anna can already appear inside your room.
It's China's historic #1 shopping street. This Oxford Street of the East extends for over 5 kilometers. Form the Buntajingon Temple including the pedestrian street on Nanjing Road East. Hey, here comes the most important part for a foodie like me, the hotel restaurants and bars. Enjoy a freshly brewed coffee with some sweetness on the side while using the free Wi-Fi. You can basically have everything you can think about in this restaurant: Chinese, Southeast Asian or Western food.
And now it's time to ask some questions in Chinese to show how Anna can speak all the languages. For now, she can only speak English, Chinese, and Japanese, but in the future, they will be able to speak all the languages, also thanks to the automated translation of the Amazon Web Services.
Hello, I am Anna. I am a hospitality student from France. I am doing an internship in this hotel to complete my degree in Lausanne in Switzerland.
酒店可轻松抵达许多上海主要景点，您将永远不会错过在上海的事情。许多景点都在我们酒店的步行范围内。开始你的游戏时间，随时随地，在上海彩虹金郁金香旗舰酒店，体验这种玩乐的灵感。在这里，好客和玩乐这两个词是有意义的。
好呀，我希望你喜欢了这个安娜的视频，and you may wonder what I think about her, and I think it's a very interesting project because, as I said, when I go to the hotel, I really like to have some assistant that always help me without having to bother the staff, so that the staff of the hotel can be more interesting things. So not just answering to all the same questions all the time for all the customers. So it is good for the hotel to spare money having less staff, and for the hotel staff because they can do better tasks just repeating the same sentences. It's better for the customers because they have a service available 24 hours every day in their language, always available. So it's a win for everyone. If you're interested in this kind of project, of course, you can check out the CrowsNest website. I think that there is already a possibility to contact them to enjoy Anna. So it's everything for today. I hope you like this video. If this is the case, please like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.